Hey guys, Spencer here. I just want to address some common misconceptions that I've seen here in Nashville and across Middle Tennessee from sellers when they're thinking about selling their homes, right? The first and the biggest one I see it almost every day is that you have to prep the house and you got to fix it up. That maybe one day was the case, but not anymore. Now, we like to buy houses as is. So we want to take your house in the state that it's in right now and purchase it from you for cash with no fees and no closing costs. That's it, a simple transaction. You shouldn't have to do any more work. And that kind of leads us actually into our second misconception is, you have to list your property to sell it. Sometimes listing makes sense and sometimes it doesn't. But what I've found a lot is that sellers, especially here in the Middle Tennessee market, prefer something easy and quick, right? And listing your property for sale on the market isn't necessarily easy or quick. Sometimes it's quite complicated and takes a while to coordinate lenders, inspections, appraisals, all that kind of stuff. And for us, we want to move at the speed that you need. So if you have that urgency to close and you have that speed as a necessary, we will make it work for you. We'll find a way, we'll get it done, and we'll get you taken care of. All right, and that's kind of the third there is that, people think it takes a while to sell the house. And, in some cases, if you list it on the market with a realtor, that's the case. It'd take a month, 2 months, 3 months even. Sometimes it takes a little longer than that to receive an offer. But, when you talk to My Tennessee Home Solution or a cash buyer here, we want to buy your house at your timeline. So if you say, hey, Spence, I need to be out of this house within the month, we'll make it happen. Hey, Spence, I want an offer now. I want to, sign an agreement today so I can be sure when I'm transitioning to my next adventure. Hey, let's do it. And you say, hey, Spence, I need 2 months. 2 months, fine. We can be 100% flexible. We've closed in as little as 2 weeks or as much as a couple months, right? It's flexible to your schedule, right? We want to purchase your home as it sits right now in the easiest way and provide you that service. Feel free to read any of our Google reviews. We've helped dozens and dozens of families with that. Have a great day.